until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina, Caswell and Rockingham, and the following counties in Virginia, Halifax, Henry, and Pittsylvania, and the following independent cities in Virginia, Danville and Martinsville. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Roanoke County, the city of Roanoke, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. At 12:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Roanoke, Salem, Vinton, Roanoke Mountain, Cave Spring, Hollins. This includes the following locations: Roanoke Regional Airport. This includes the following streams and drainages: Gum Spring Branch, Buffalo Creek, Cook Creek, Pointer Branch, Carvin Creek, and Back Creek. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 569, effective until 3. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for east central Roanoke County, the city of Roanoke, west central Bedford County, southern Bottomatot County, northern Franklin County, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Roanoke Mountain, or near Boone's Mill, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Vinton, Stewartsville, Laymantown, Blue Ridge, Cloverdale, and Cave Spring. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Henry County until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Spencer, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Spencer, Dust, Sandville, Stanleytown, Oak Level, Hilltop Dam, and Female. Cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The National Weather Service has issued tornado warnings. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for central Franklin County until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ferrum, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Boone's Mill, Ferrum, Burnt Chimney, and Wirtz. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,